Hello guys, welcome back to Inspire to DIY. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I was able to create a floral arc using a pool noodle. Stay tuned for the end result and let's get started. For this project, I'll be using a pool noodle. I got it at Home Depot. I cut it into two and also in half. Next, I put a zip tie right in the middle to give it that illusion of a curve. Those are the different floral that I will be using for this project. Some baby breath, different type of roses, and some hydrangea. I started by gluing my hydrangea right in the middle to cover the piece as much as possible. I continued to repeat that step until the whole pool noodle was covered. Next, I took my baby breath and cut it to smaller sizes and placed at the very bottom on the side of the pool noodle. That same step was also repeated at the other side of the noodle. Moving forward, I took those foam roses and I was able to cut the stem and glue them on the side of the hydrangea so I can continue to cover the pool noodle. Once the whole pool noodle was covered from the side, I took those roses and I cut the stem as short as I needed to be and then started gluing them in different sections of the pool noodle just at random so it can have a more natural look. And at last, to add a little pop of color, I'll be using those roses. I cut the stem to the length that I needed, and next I glue them at random. And just like that, I was able to create a floral arc using a pool noodle as well as different artificial flowers. It turned out so great, and I hope you guys did enjoy this project. If so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you have not already done so, go ahead, subscribe to our channel and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any of our next projects. Thank you guys so much, and see you next time. Bye.